It is time for me to take my makeup off. Glasses off first. Well, I need it first. The way this is another way I take my makeup off without having makeup remover. I have used Pond's. That video is up. That's an older video. And now I don't have any more makeup remover. So I'm using petroleum jelly Vaseline. So I'm using petroleum jelly Vaseline. And I also use it for my hair to grease my scalp. This is petroleum jelly Vaseline with castor oil. I mix it. So the top is mixed. As I get down, if you notice right here, it's lighter. As this from here to there is petroleum. And from here to this, petroleum jelly Vaseline with castor oil. And from here down, if you notice it's lighter, I haven't reached there. As I use it down, then I add more of the oil and I mix it. So I use this for my scalp, but since I am out of makeup remover, I am going to use it because I used it yesterday and it worked really good. So I want to show you an inexpensive way of makeup removing. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use this wipe to lift everything up before I wash my face. So I always get my wipes out early. I put it out first. I hope you can see. So now I'll take my glasses off and I am going to take some Vaseline. I take a good amount because I don't like going in there twice. So this is my face. I don't know why my light in the bathroom looks like this, but hopefully you can see me. This is my face. This is the amount I have. Amount of Vaseline. And this is my face. This is what my face looks like. I know I'm close and personal, but I want you to see. Now I rub this in my hands. Warm it up a little. Dry hands, so you can warm it up. This is what it looks like. Now I go trying to lift everything up first before I wipe it, right? Now, eyes. Just gently rub also on your lashes. If you can see, I can't see, but your lashes, you need that. Then I do my forehead. Then I just go all over my face. Now, this is what my hands look like. I don't know if you can see it. I don't open my eyes. Now I have a clean wipe, and I usually do my eyes first because I want to open up and see what the rest of my face look like. So I wipe my lashes. And I gently rub it a little just to make sure everything is loosened up so I can take it out, right? Now, this is my eye so far, and well, my hand is dirty, so it's all over. So I go and I clean, and then I go with this I wipe my hands. This is what my face look like for the first wipe. Right? This is what the first wipe looks like. That's why I always take two. So now the second wipe. I wipe my ears also. I love to spend time on my lashes because today I used a lot of eyeliner because I was trying an eyeliner and then I add another eyeliner, so I had more than I usually need, but I didn't take it out, I just left it. And now my lips. And yes, I do pass the Vaseline on my lips to loosen it up. The second wipe, this is what my face is looking like. Everything is gone. Vaseline does a really good job. And this is what the second wipe looks like. So first wipe, second wipe. Now I'm just gonna go wash my face, moisturize it, and all is well. But this is my new makeup remover, and it's working very well. Try it, let me know if it worked for you. And again, remember, you are always first. I will see you soon. Bye.